Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ClickBank for passive income detailed guide step by step clearly. To start using ClickBank for passive income, begin by visiting the ClickBank website. Create a ClickBank account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary personal information and agree to the terms and conditions. Once your account is set up, explore the marketplace to find products that align with your interests. Use the search function or browse categories to identify high-quality products. Pay attention to metrics such as gravity, which indicates the product's popularity among affiliates. Once you've selected a product, click on it to access more details and promotional materials. Generate your unique affiliate link by clicking the Promote button. Copy the affiliate link and save it for future use. Next, consider how you will promote the product to your audience. You can create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts focused on the niche of the product. Develop content that provides value, such as reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles. When mentioning the product, include your affiliate link in the content. Use engaging visuals or storytelling techniques to attract viewers and hold their attention. Diversify your promotion methods by utilizing email marketing or paid ads if your budget allows. Consistently track the performance of your promotional efforts with ClickBank's analytics tools. Adjust your strategies based on what works best for driving traffic and conversions. Continue to learn about affiliate marketing through courses, forums, and industry blogs. As you gain experience, expand your portfolio by promoting multiple products over time. Stay updated on market trends to adapt your strategies accordingly. With dedication and persistence, you can build a sustainable passive income stream through ClickBank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.